Hi! Do you wonder what this place is? Follow me to check. Look at this wooden house. It is a hedgehog shelter. This cute house is for wild hedgehogs who live outside and sleep over the winter. This is why they need a warm, cozy and safe place to spend the winter months. My humans who live with me made this shelter so that my fellow wild hedgehogs can find a place to sleep. It even has a hedgehog painting. Just look! It is a perfect place for wild hedgehogs to hibernate. It is very important that you provide some hedgehog houses around green areas because there are not much natural places where hedgehogs can hide, especially in urban areas. I hope you like this wooden house and will make one on your own. All of us will be super grateful. See you next time. Bye.